Welcome to another 60-second power-up. The new and improved Skyward mobile app is here. We've been hard at work making the app more streamlined and user-friendly. Let's take a look at some of the updates. The first change you'll notice is when you log in. There's a new navigation button which gives you the option to continue in app or open in browser. The open in browser option gives you quick access to features only found in the desktop version of Skyward that are not available on mobile. So now you have access to the entirety of Skyward on your mobile device. We improved single sign-on and the account setup experience, reducing the number of screens you'll need to navigate through. You'll also see updated labels for increased clarity. In addition, we added the ability to change your password or reset your passcode within the app and the option to launch Forgot Username or Password. It's as easy as that. Check out the other 60-second power-ups and become even more Skyward savvy.